So this is day one of us cleaning / renovating our 1993 Airstream RV. Class A, right? Class A Airstream?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's gonna be fun. So much fun. Cleaning all the dirt out from the previous owner and then deciding on how we're going to make it
beautiful.
Beautiful. Kids hard at work.
Hey, look, we got some cleaner. When you clean, a cleaning bottle. You know what I mean? That's right. I don't know how many partial rolls of freaking paper they need. I guess we can use it to clean. Does it look cleaner?
All right, we're back in the trailer for day 2 of cleaning the Airstream / renovation of the Airstream. Let's see how it goes, because everything looks kind of worse than yesterday because we have everything out.
Make me feel good about it.
All right, let's get started. So my job for the day is this lovely thing.
Oh, gross!
Are you recording? No? I mean, like, all good. Okay, you can pick what you want out of it. Hey, whoa, 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 come back here. Pick what you want and leave it here.
Whoa!
Snacks down, snacks down.
This is not my idea of getting busy. Nope. I'll invite all my friends to this party. How is this gonna work?
It doesn't.
Wait, I only get danced with on camera? Get over it. What?
No?
Yeah.
She didn't want to dance like she says she does.
How about we dance out there? That way we have more room.